demo. So what we're going to be doing is taking a look at passwords and how they go bye-bye from hackers and bad decisions. So today we're going to take a look at password vaulting, account discovery, and server discovery. So buckle up. Let's take a ride. It's going to be a secure one. Let's get going. So first up, password vaulting. Who doesn't like to lock up things bigger than and tighter than a squirrel's stash in winter? So let's get right to it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at a secret. We're going to create one, an Active Directory secret. We have various templates that we can pull from. We're going to pull from the Active Directory secret template here. We're going to fill in some various aspects of this secret, such as the name. We're going to go that name. We're going to go our domain. We're going to simply put in a Bert's admin user here. So we go, boom, we got that in there. We're going to generate a password, a highly complex password, because 1, 2, 3 is just not going to cut it anymore. And then we're going to create our secret there. We got our secret in play. Now we're going to take a look at some various aspects of this secret, including check-in, check-out, approval workflows, multi-factor authentication upon access, all the way down to password rotation, hiding the password launcher, session recording can be enabled on the secret access. So got all that in play there. Now let's take a look. Let's roll over to account discovery. This is basically your Sherlock Holmes of the whole operation here, where it's going to find out all your accounts that are within the network. So let's take a look here. So coming over here to network view, coming in here now, we're going to take a look at, we're going to find a particular account that was vaulted within secret server. It's going to be the generic service account. And we're going to see what the details that were brought back from that, such as dependencies. So getting a look at dependencies here, we see all these particular dependencies that are going to rotate their password when this password rotates. So we can see and check all that and then verify it all within the audit log of the particular service account. So that's how we get and we detect service accounts. We track how their passwords are managed and so forth. So now we're going to take a look at another aspect called computer discovery. Another fascinating part of Secret Server. So we're going to take a look at how that works. So I'm going to come in here to item type. We're going to pick computers and then take a look at all the computers that brought back. We're going to pick a particular computer and we're going to find out all the good stuff that's running or bad stuff that's running on that particular server. So we're going to see and we're going to click all the details. And we can see all this is brought back here on this particular server. So we see the services running on here and a few other elements that are running on there as well. So this gives you visibility into what's running on your particular accounts within Secret Server. The Secret Server, very easy to set up and get this all maintained. And it gives you the ability to then secure your passwords in the vault, hunt down accounts, and stalk down those servers that are out there that you may or may not know about, but especially you may not know what's running on them.